The Kenya Union of Clinical Officers, that has been on the forefront to seal some of the glaring loopholes to ensure COVID-19 does not get out of control, has today expressed its distress in the preparedness level of its members in responding to COVID-19 pandemic. According to KUCO, the issue clinical workers is not being treated with the urgency and weight it deserves.
Today, the union has learned of one of our colleagues who has contracted the novel coronavirus in line of duty. The clinical officer had been performing her duty in the outpatient and special clinic in her area of duty until she contracted this virus. You can all understand the anguish she is going through, knowing she may have infected her family member and other patients that she serves.
With the case of one clinical officer in Kisii who refused to attend to a patient due to lack of protective gears interdicted, the union now wants the officer reinstated and also called upon all workers not to risk their lives if they are not trained and adequately equipped.
The government also to consider early lockdown in high-risk area as to avoid economic catastrophe and the health system collapse that will befall the country if the lockdown is delayed, as it will be prolonged and in the countrywide. I need to actually categorically specify on that point that currently we have actually named 5 counties to be the high risk. Nairobi leading. We have Kilifi, Mombasa, Kwale, and we also have Kajiado. This is a clear indication that this viral, if not contained, it will actually go to other counties.
I'm a witness to the tragedy that can befall a country once you have health workers who panic or are under anxiety. And that is what usually leads to them refusing to attend to patients.
Nurses at Mbagathi Hospital in Nairobi went on a go-slow protest last week in protest of a lack of protective gear and training. They feared catching the disease and infecting their families. Only a fraction of Kenya's estimated 100,000 healthcare workers had received any instruction on how to protect themselves. David Kagina, Switch TV.